This macro is looking at using Excel facilities to automatically insert headers and footers onto sheets for us. We can set it up so that these details will appear, and then we can assign that to the key press or an appropriate key press. So first of all, make sure you're starting off with a blank worksheet, which is what I've got here. Go to the Developer tab and start recording the macro. Right, we'll give it the name head and foot. Control plus use the H key here for header, and we could type in information in here if we wished, like say insert header and footer information. Right, because I'm just showing you, I'm not going to bother doing that. Now the minute I click on OK, it's going to basically start the macro recording. So one of the things that you should do is have an idea of the things that you're going to carry out, okay, the steps that you're going to carry out in order to record the macro. Okay, so click on OK. I've got my macros recording. Right, so I need to click on this to stop it. So, click on the Insert tab. Header and footer brings up the header and footer screens. Header split into 3 areas, left one, middle one and right one. I'm going to put my name into the left one. Okay, so we just put our name in there. Right one here, I'm just going to put the date, which is the 30th September 2015. Now, we can get Excel to insert information into these headers for us using these elements up here. Okay, so I can insert page number of pages, current date, current time, the path to the file, what the file name is, what the sheet name is. You can even put a picture in, and so on. Right, I'm just going to leave it as text at this moment in time. If we click now on go to footer and select the middle, then we'll just type in spreadsheets are fun. Right, and this is what we want to appear on our sheets, right, when we print them. Now we're in the header footer area, so if we click, let's say there, that'll take us into our page view. Okay, click on the wee button down here, or the wee toggle, whatever you want to call it, to switch back to normal view. Okay, and it takes us to where I clicked. Dotted lines on Excel at this point in time indicate page breaks. Right, so anything that's within these lines will actually get printed on one page. Hold Control key and Home takes me up to cell A1. Now, at this point I'm going to stop recording, and that's my macro recorded. So, let's see what exactly that's done. Well, because we've shown it how to do the first one, if I go to File, Print, and do a preview, then it won't give me anything to print. Right, that's basically because there's nothing on the sheet. So let's put a number down and say H24. Right. Hit return. Do a file, print. Right, gives me a preview now because I've actually got a bit of data in the sheet, and you'll see that it's put our name, date, and spreadsheets are fun down on the bottom. back we go. Okay, so we'd expect that because we've done that for the first sheet. Right, let's add in another sheet. I'm going to go to H19, put some text in there, or numbers. Do a file, print, and in the preview here you'll see that there's no headers and footers. Okay, because we haven't actually inserted any. So let's now test our macro. So hold down Control and H. Right, the screen should flash. Now if I do a print preview, I would expect to see them. So again, File, Print, and there we go. Right, names in here, spreadsheets are fun. And that's my second sheet. So go back, and that's all there is to actually creating a simple macro to insert details onto the header and footer tab.